This is a typical question, which is, of course, very understandable because the noise level is something that many pool users are keen about, and also very important than neighbors, what they think and what they say, how they feel if your heat pump is running. Well, heat pump noise level has been a focus in R&D for last 5, 6 years, and I can tell you we still have the noise level as priority. The heat pump as a technical machine consists of two noise level sources. First one is the fan or the ventilator, which blows the air, and the second is compressor. Well, compressors these days are pretty well insulated with anti-noise or noise-absorbing materials, and also on very well designed anti-vibration placements. So compressors aren't concerned anymore. What may concern you is the actual air blow from the machine. Again, you need to ensure that the heat pump is well sized, means it can lower its performance from 100% to 90, 80, etc. So it's not undersized and would need to work 100% all the time. A heat pump is well placed on rubber blocks which absorb additional vibrations. And of course, the actual position of the heat pump, I wouldn't put heat pump next to myself where I want to, lie down next to the pool and just enjoy. But I would place it several meters away just to have some sort of a gap. But overall, you don't need to worry, especially with new heat pumps. The noise level there is very well regarded.